body's already off.
What's up, guys? Today we just got an X-Maxx from our buddy Randy. And welcome her to the channel. We're about to see how good one of these things can do and hold up for us. And essentially it's going to be our towing rig at some point, but it's pretty clean. Let's go through it. It's got a nice blue body. Some people say it's from the version 1, but it's clean. It's just got a little minor scratches right there. No problem. That's not a big problem at all. Already came with two 4S batteries, freaking amazing. And we got the 8S system in here with, I think, an upgraded servo, but we're gonna try that out. And besides that, I think it's a pretty clean truck for being used. Minor scratches, nothing. It was shelf kept is what I heard, and probably just played with a little bit, but never played with how we're about to do it. So let's go get into it.
Beautiful. That was beautiful.
She's a good looking truck.
You could drive it up on 2 wheels.
Yeah. Little sign, don't hit the sign now.
Oh,
already bumped into me.
bumped. Bumper cars.
Oh yeah, she does some wheelies in the grass.
First thing we're gonna try out is if it can make the gap.
Can it make the gap? Let's see if the X-Maxx can make the gap. Yes, sir. She cleared.
That was perfect.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
First jump right over.
That was easy. All right. Well, she definitely did it. Let's go try it again, I guess. Oh, the body's already off.
Did you get that on video?
I did. It came right past you, bro.
You were a little off the mark there.
I don't have those belted tires. These tires do hook up pretty good, but definitely sledge runners are better.
That's definitely gonna be next.
Alright, let's go try that again.
All right, round 2.
We'll do it round
Attempt 3. Attempt 1 was fantastic. Attempt 2 was less fantastic.
Oh, I missed it. How'd I miss it?
Too short.
Dang it. I can't believe I missed it. I cased it, didn't I?
Yeah,
I
you
cased it.
You landed just short on the back wheels, bounced forward,
And then tumbled
down
over.
the hill.
Dang. Well, we're going to have it again.
Oh!
Oh my gosh. My gosh.
Oh!
I think she's good, but we cleared it. Not a nice landing, though. She's doing good so far. I didn't have any air control in that one. I tried to hit it to spin the front back up, and it didn't go.
Oh!
Ow. Ow. That looked like that was close.
Oh yeah, you scooped a lot of dirt.
Yeah, I scraped something on the come up.
Way over. Yeah, that's a much better launch point.
That got some air, didn't it?
Honestly, I think you might be able to backflip it if you hit that same spot just like that.
And then
Oh. Nope, you scooped again. You didn't hit the right spot.
I'll do it again.
And
Watch my camera.
what am I? Am I an X-Maxx magnet?
Yes, let me do it again, but
That was some good pole avoidance.
I don't think she's got enough torque.
It's, well, maybe because we're already at like almost top speed to where you don't have enough, you don't have like more, you know, enough to pull the backflip.
Yeah, you're right. Whoa.
Look at those tires. Nice and round. No wobbles.
Seems all right to me. This is fun, dude. 8S life.
I'm coming!
Scrape up the scrape body. All right, XRT. X-Wing. Oh, yeah. Right over. Whoa! Whoa!
Oh, perfect landing on the downslope.
Dang. Let's see. The X-Maxx can do a backflip. Nope. Body again? What? Why does this body keep coming off, man? This body was relatively good.
All right. Let's jump it the other way now.
Let's see a little speed run of the X-Maxx. Oh, wheelie. She's hauling some booty.
Oh, watch the pipe.
I didn't want to have an Eric moment. Oh, there's a culvert right there, bro.
All right. Whatever I do, just don't let me hit the pole over there. So if you see that I'm going for the pole, just sacrifice yourself and dive in front of it.
All right, we'll do. I will try to take one for the XRT.
Oh, I got dead stick on the way up.
What? Dead stick?
It's back on now.
Oh, yeah.
Perfect landing.
That was a great landing. That's the thing, I know I'm going to hit them pole. So.
All right, I'll sacrifice my body.
I appreciate that.
I'll just take an X-Maxx to the teeth.
All right, you're the real one, Nick.
Oh.
Ow. 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 That looked like that would have broke something.
Oh yeah, you scooped a lot of dirt.
Nice, thank you.
Here, I'll get you.
Oh my God.
Oh my.
This thing is so much fun. It is fast. Whoa! Let's go get some wheelies real quick.
Hold on, I gotta jump the gap again.
Oh my gosh. Insane. There we go. This thing is crazy.
There we go.
XRT to the moon.
Oh.
Whoa!
I scooped.
You scooped?
I hit the wrong spot.
And you hit a parked car.
Yeah.
Yeah!
No. Wrong spot.
Whoa! Nice! That was a good jump.
What did you do?
Guys, look at this. Oh my gosh, there's a big rock in my axle right now. There's just a massive rock in the axle. Look at this. Hopefully it didn't bend it. Oh my gosh. How did it even get in there? What? It must have just happened. But dude, that's a massive rock. Y'all know how big the X-Maxes are. I have to chip it away at that sucker. I'm glad I noticed that now. Jeez. Dude, it is wedged in there.
I went in from the front.
Okay.
There we go.
Wow.
Seems good. No bendage.
Then they all stop at the same time. This is a great buy. Thanks, Randy.
It dies.
Oh, I'm gonna get it. Almost. If my wheelie bar was a little bit up more, I could ride a wheelie, but it's like too far down to where it just wants to pop over backwards.
And that's what the XRT one is like too. Bounce off the wheelie bar.
Yeah. Now we're gonna watch Gina do some backflips.
Sludgina, Frankenstein, Gina will now attempt
zip tie mod
to shoot into outer space. I'm hearing some crazy possible front diff noise.
I was hearing that too, but I wasn't gonna say anything. Oh, you cleared it, no problem.
Like nothing. She is making a horrible sound.
The acrobat. Nice. That was a good one. Nice.
Oh, I so scooped on the way up on that one.
Yeah. Hey, hey, she's dancing. Nice. Nice.
Oh, geez.
Still landed. Yeah, she's a flyer. Whoa, what'd you do? Oh, this M2C.
That's not good.
The M2C. Oh, it's a rock mod. Oh my gosh.
Oh my.
These
I
rocks.
can pick it up by the rock.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it must have landed perfectly on a rock, perfectly on that front landing.
Just scooped it up.
Look, pin came out, pin came out. Oh no, it cracked the... Oh no.
You cracked the arm?
No, the bulkhead.
Oh, you cracked the bulkhead?
Right there. In there.
Yeah. Wow. I see it. I see the crack. It's a minor crack, but if we were dam operators, they'd be pretty mad. The X-Wing is taking some hits today. Hey man, you got any nickel metal hydride batteries I could have for my Xmaxx? I about took myself out.
I can't even pull these out. This is a thick piece of metal. It's 5 mil.
M2C tough, baby.
I mean, it is tough, but at the same time.
So here you go, guys. Nick officially bent his first M2C product. How do you feel?
I don't know. I want to look at this. Ready? I can't even. That's my full weight.
Wow.
All right, we're gonna need some leverage here.
Oh yeah, use the truck frame. Bro breaks my truck. There you go. There you go. There you go. Ah! I think you got it.
Almost.
It might bolt back up.
The screw. No, I gotta go a little bit more.
Got to straighten it back out, man. You're gonna bend that pin. Oh, 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 oh. I think you're good.
One more.
Nice.
Hey, that's looking pretty good.
Yep.
because the front you want it to curve up a little bit.
That was a good bin job.
Hey, we're looking pretty good. There's a kink here right now. That's kinky.
What did he say?
That one looked like it hurt. I love it. Absolutely love it, bro. Oh, low power mode. No.
Already?
Yeah, but I've been dogging on her. What an amazing time it was. What an amazing time it was with the X-Maxx today.